In this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste text into text messaging application. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And let's say I want to copy some text from apple.com. So I go to apple.com and there I can scroll down that site and now I can copy some text from here. To copy the text, all I have to do is hold down on the screen and then I can move it to copy the exact part of the text. And here, once I selected the text, I can hit on copy to clipboard. Now I can hop out Safari and open up text messages application. Then enter to some conversation and here just tap a text message field, then tap here again and then hit on paste. Now there you can tap here at send button to send this text to our recipient. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.